Just south of LA, the cliffs are home to the fastest animal on Earth. A living missile. The Peregrine Falcon. Her eyesight is so sharp, she can pick out prey more than a kilometer away. The size of a crow, speed is her weapon. With her wings tucked in, she dives at speeds of 300 kilometers per hour. A kill in midair. Her chicks beg constantly for food. But she is torn between feeding hungry mouths and guarding the nest. Anything that passes too close, she views as a threat. Five times her body weight, the brown pelicans ignore her warnings. A dangerous mistake. She scrambles to intercept. A yank on the face throws the hapless pelican off balance. One down, she circles back for the rest. A skillful bill flick takes care of another. But while she's seeing off the pelicans, a real threat is making its way towards the nest. A gopher snake. Skillful climbers, they hunt up and down these sandstone cliffs and would make an easy meal of an unprotected falcon chick. But nothing escapes her eye. A single strike with her talons is all it takes. Predators will need to be faster than that to come between this mother and her brood.